I printed this little bookshelf out last time that I wanted to have a bookshelf, and I was just kind of messing around, and I just managed to draw this, but it ended up being too big to fit on this page. So I wanted to practice on a paper separately just to like see if I could even draw a bookshelf. So I've got my ruler, I've got my pen, and I'm just going to show you me drawing a bookshelf just in case you want to know how to do it as well. Okay, so this is the completed bookshelf. I added a bunch of stickers. I did that off camera just because I couldn't decide what I wanted to put there. And so I filled up pretty much the entire shelf. I have a couple up here, this one and this one left, but otherwise I have literally nothing left. I think it came out really, really cool actually. And I love that it's next to this one. So we have like two different spreads. I think if I did it next time, I would probably draw it on a white piece of paper just to make it stand out a little bit better off of the lined paper. But I think that's all that I really could change about it. I think that it came out really, really nice, and I'm really excited to start filling these out and checking them off when I read them. The only thing I didn't do was total books read. I'll probably try to fit that down here because that's my last space. I wasn't even thinking like I needed to put that, but I would like to have that just to know, give myself like a count. I guess if I get any other books this year, I will add it on here, but I only have like 4 or 5 spaces left. So I'll probably end up needing to just draw another shelf, but that's okay because I have blank page right here that I could probably draw another shelf on there. But I hope you liked it, and that's pretty much it. Good luck drawing your own shelf. Bye.